as Kortaling constituency is concerned, we have asked the government, and the file is in process for a definite police station at Sankwal village, because the patrolling that is needed in this area, especially in Zuari Nagar, is immense, and we therefore need a definite police station that will focus on all the issues and problems and illegalities arising in this area. And I request the police to be on constant vigil. Night patrolling and patrolling at all hours is very, very essential. And another request I make to the police is that the police should restrain from having, friendly relations with people in an area.
आलिनान साकवाळच्या भुरग्यांक बालवाडी उक्ती केली.
चिल्ड्रन असतात त्यांना आम्ही नॉन फॉर्मल प्री स्कूल एज्युकेशन दिता. तसेच आमच्याकडे जे बेनिफिशरी आसा प्रेग्नंट वुमन, लॅक्टेटिंग मदर आणि 6 months to 3 years चिल्ड्रन त्यांना आम्ही सप्लिमेंटरी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाईड करता. तसेच आहार विषयक, आरोग्य विषयक आणि शिक्षण विषयक जबाबदारी ही सर्वांगीण बालविकास योजनेची आसा.
Very happy occasion because we have inaugurated an Anganwadi center, and I think this Anganwadi center is going to definitely fulfill the needs of many ladies who are working ladies.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.